A lot of authors don't promote their books because they're afraid of being pushy. But here's the irony. The problem usually isn't that authors promote too much or that they promote too little. It's usually because they don't promote in the right way. Because good promotion doesn't feel like a demand, it feels like an invitation. I'm Ross from the Alliance of Independent Authors, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to make promotions that actually engage people. So, if you're liking these videos and it's helping you in your career as an indie author, please hit the like and subscribe button, as it goes a long way in keeping this channel free and available to all. So number one, is it clear? Most authors know their book too well. They explain the plot, the world, the backstory, the themes, and the reader gets overwhelmed. Instead ask, can someone understand why this book matters in one sentence? So for example, a bad version might be, following the events of book 1, Allaria returns to her hometown on the Seventh Kingdom to confront the consequences of King Trius' decision before the Ash Accord is broken, etc, etc, etc. A good version might be, Book 2 continues the story of Allaria as she navigates the political complexities of the Kingdom of Ash. So number 2, is it valuable? The reader should get something. Not necessarily a discount, but just a reason to care. So this could be a bonus chapter, a signed copy, a free sample, early access, or a launch price. Something that makes the invitation worth accepting, because promotion works best when both sides benefits. The reader gets value, and then the author gets momentum. Number 3, is it timely? This is the one that most authors forget. So people need a reason to act now, not someday in the future, but now. But here's the important thing. Don't create promotions just because you need more sales. Create promotions because you've got something new to offer. Maybe you're launching a book in the next 2 weeks, or maybe you've just released an audiobook. Maybe you've created a bonus chapter, or you've produced a special edition. Perhaps it's Valentine's Day and you've written a romantic comedy that's perfect for the occasion. The best promotions are connected to something real, a launch, a season, an event, a milestone, a genuine reason for readers to pay attention. Because when there's no connection, promotion can feel random, and when promotion feels random, readers learn to ignore them. Without timing, people postpone, and postponed decisions often just become forgotten decisions. So don't ask, how can I get more sales? Ask, what new reason am I giving readers to engage with right now? That's the difference between promotion that feels desperate and one that feels relevant. Let's imagine your new book launches next week. Instead of saying, book 2 is available now, try Return to the Kingdom of Ash 1 week before public release and receive an exclusive bonus chapter. Notice what's happened. Clear, valuable, timely, that's an invitation. So, the next time you create a promotion, run it through a checklist. Can readers understand this? Do readers benefit? Why should they act now? If you can answer all 3, then promotion stops feeling pushy and starts feeling useful. So until next time, happy indie publishing, and I'll catch you in the next one.